to design this one. First one, exercise number 2, first one. This one. Now direct method and tracking and tracing method. Tracking and tracing method. First you can set units and limits. Then again, where is the starting point of the design? Now this one. Where is the starting point? Same thing. This one. How many circles? First one is the 22 dia, next one is the 32 diameter, next one is the 58, then next one is the 78. All are the diameters. Okay, directly apply the circle command. C, enter, select any point in this location. How much radius? 22 diameter means 11 radius. Then next, same thing, just right, select all. Okay, how much? 16 radius, or otherwise you can activate the internal command diameter, then you can enter your input value in the format of diameter. 16. Then again next one more circle, 58. So okay, directly activate the internal command 58. Then next 78. Okay, circles is over. Next, what is the next one? Now see here, again 6 holes. Again the entire design is a keyhole design. Now this entire design is a, now these are nothing but keyholes. Again, how to design this one? What is the use of the 32 diameter circle? Now again, what is the use of the 32 dia circle? Now see here. Now just I am going to select the line. Directly you can select the line. Again you can design one line with respect to in this location, straight line. Okay. Then next, just I am going to design one circle in this location. What is the radius or diameter value? 14 diameter. Okay. Again you can apply the, now see here, now I am going to apply trim this one, and again just first apply the offset operation. What is the distance? 6. Keyhole distance. 6 hole is the 14 diameter. Again see here, what is the width here? 6 here. Okay, for that purpose I am going to apply the offset. Specify the offset distance 3. Select this one to this side, again this one to this side. Then you can apply the trim operation. Trim this one. Again see what is the use of the 32 dia circle. Just trim up to this one. Then again you can trim this one also. Again you can see the circular shape here. What is the connection here? Circular connection. Keyhole with circular connection. For that purpose you can use the 32 diameter circle. Then again trim this one and this one. Directly you can delete this one. Again these 3 also. Okay. That is the use of the 32 dia circle. Now this one is okay. Again you can apply the array operation. You can apply array operation. Now before going to apply the array operation, again this entire keyhole act as a multiple entities. The entire keyhole act as a multiple entities. For that purpose, we can apply what operation? How to convert multiple to single? You can apply region or join operation. Now I am going to apply join. Select the multiple entities. Enter. Now you can select. Now what happened? The entire one act as a single entity. Again apply the array. Select object to be array. Then select polar, specify the center point of the array. Now total 6. Okay, now this one is okay. Then again next, what is the next one? Next, now next one is the, now see here, next again with respect to existing center point, with respect to this center point, again you can design the next one. Again you can design top circles. Again you can design the, again what is the diameter values? 12 and 22. Diameter is 12 and 22. What is the distance between them? What is the horizontal distance? What is the vertical distance here? 57 is the
104.90.
okay. 104.90 what?
104 vertical.
Again we can design with respect to this center point. Now I am going to design these two circles with respect to, first design these two circles with respect to this center point. Design these two circles with respect to this center point. What is the horizontal distance and what is the vertical distance? 57 is the vertical distance. Again 0 is the horizontal distance. 0 is the horizontal distance. Now just see here. Directly I am going to select one line. Directly you can select the, again you can apply the tracing or tracking. Just select this point. You can define the next geometry with respect to this point. For that purpose I am going to select this circle center. Then how many units? 57. Just 57, enter. Now this end point act as a, circle center point. Select the circle. Next 6. Again same thing. Next one is the 11. That's it. After completion of that one, just delete this one. Then again you can design bottom, left side, bottom, left side. Now see here, these two. What is the horizontal and what is the vertical? With respect to this center point. With respect to this center point. Again total is the 104. 104 minus 57. How much? 104 minus 57. 47. Again horizontal is 90 by 2. 45. 90 by 2, 45. Select the line. Now we can select this point. Sorry. Select the existing center. How much value? 47. Again in this direction 45. Again first you can design the construction line. Again apply the offset. Again delete. Long process. Again directly you can select the circles. Now this is the, now this one how much? 2 holes. Okay, 9 radius. 9. 18 dia, and the next one is the 36 dia. Again circle. Next one is the 18. Now this one is okay. This is the 9. Then next one, same design present in the right side. You can apply the mirror operation. Select objects to be mirror. Then which one is the center reference? This is the center reference. Again this one to this one. Enter. Then after delete these two. Then what is the next one? Now see here. Bottom line is the what type of line? Bottom is the what type of line? Tan line. Bottom is the tan. Again side, left side arc and right side arcs are left side and right side arcs. Left is the tan arc. Again right also tan arc. For how to design tangents? First settings, clear all, select only tangent. Okay. First I am going to design the line. This one to this one. Then again next go with which one? How to design the tan arc? Circle, tan radius. Now you can choose the reference point in this location to. Where is the bottom location? In this location. Okay. Again what is the value? What is the value? Radius value 73. Okay, 73 here. Now see, this arc radius is the 73. This arc radius 73. Again see here. Okay. This one is the 73. Then again next, we can apply the trim operation. then you can directly remaining part. Okay, same thing to right side. Okay, first you can see, again you can apply the fillet here. F enter, what is the radius value? F enter, specify the input value. How to specify the input? For that purpose, select the radius, specify the value. How much? 20. Then select the object, this one to this one. Okay, then you can apply the trim operation. Okay, then again apply mirror operation. Select this one and again this one. Which one is the center reference? Again see here, directly you can select the. Now see here, first you can change the settings. O snap, settings, select all, okay. Then you can directly select the center points reference. Nothing but this one, central reference. That's it. Okay. Then again you can see the first one. First, second one. Again the design contain hatching. Okay. This design contain hatching. Now see this one. Okay. How to design this one? Where is the starting point? Where is the starting point of the design? How to design this one? Where is the starting point? Where is the starting point? Again you can choose any point, but you can find out the simple design of it. Now I am going to start from this point. Again the circle diameter is 44. Again this one also having same. This one is also circle. Again circle with respect to this center point. Radius is the 38. First I am going to design these two circles. Okay. C enter. C for circle. Select the any point. Radius equal to how much? 44 means 22. Same thing. Next one is the 38. Okay. Now this one. Okay. Next one. Again I am going to design these two circles. Now I am going to design these two circles. Now this is the center point of the circle. This side is the 40 diameter. Again this side is the 32 or 32 radius and 40 diameter. Again you can design these two circles. What is the reference? What is the reference of this design? Again you can design these two circles with respect to center point. Again see here, with respect to these centers, what is the horizontal and what is the vertical? Vertical is the, what is the vertical dimensions and what is the horizontal dimension? 72. Wrong. Now see here, total from bottom to the center point is the 144. Again you can see one more reference. This bottom to the center point is the 70. So remaining is 74. Again what is the horizontal distance? This center point to this center point. How much? 38. Now see here, this center line to this circle center 38. Okay. Now see here, directly you can go with the line. Okay. In this direction how much? In this direction 38. Next in this direction 74. Now this is the circle center point. Select the circle. Now this is the how much? 20. Next one 32. Okay. Then immediately you can delete these two. Next, what is the next design? Again you can design these two circles. What is the horizontal and vertical? 120 from this center. Again what is the horizontal with respect to this center? What is the horizontal with respect to this center? 50 with respect to this center point. 50 with respect to this center point. Our requirement is this center point. What is the value? Nothing but 50 minus 38. 50 minus 38. Now see here, this total from this center point to this center point is the 38. Again this center point to this center point is the 50. So What is the value with respect to this center point to this center point? 50 minus 38. 12. 50 minus 38. Again total 50. So balance is 12. Or otherwise, now see here. Or otherwise, total from this center point to this center point is the 120. Again 120 minus 74 means with respect to this center point. Now this total is the 120. Again this center point to this center point is the 74. Again 120 minus 74. And 120 minus 74, how much? 120 minus 74, 15? 46. Again see here, with respect to this one, height is the, these two center points. Vertical distance is the 46. Again horizontal is the 50. Again you can use any type of reference. Okay. Now I am going to with directly select the line from this center point. Height equal to how much? 120 minus 74. 46. Again in this direction how much? 50. Directly you can use this one. Or otherwise, same thing. One more reference with respect to this center point. Total is the 120. Then again in this direction 12. Same thing. Okay. You can use any one. Now again circle. How much? 20. Next, one more one. One is the 20 radius, another one is the 20 diameter. So 10. Okay. Then you can delete these two. Then after that, next one. Again you can prepare the corner here. Again radius equal to how much? Fillet enter 40. Select this one to this one. Then again next one. Now see here. Now I can design this line. Now I can design this line. This line exactly passing from this center point. First you can design line directly from this center point. Directly you can design the line from nothing but straight line. Just I am going to touch up to this circle. Then you can apply the trim operation. Just trim. Okay. Now next one. This line is okay. Then again you can see here. Now this is the sharp corner. Again you can convert round. What is the value?
15.
Value is the 1.5. Then again this one to this one. Same thing. This side also. This one to this one. Again you can apply trim. You can trim this one. Okay. Then again next one. This design is okay. Next one. Again what is the next one? Again see here. Again you can design one line.
70.
Now again you can design one line 70 starting from quadrant point. Nothing but quadrant is a tangent with respect to 90 degrees. Quadrant point. How many? How much? 70. Again next. First you can specify the total value here. Total equal to how much? 96. Then again you can cut this circle. Then you can apply the trim. Again you can trim. Okay. Then again you can apply the fillet here. What is the fillet value?
14.
Radius changes to 14. This one to this one. Apply the trim operation. Okay. Again next one. This one. Now again this one also. This entire circle also reference for this arc. Again you can trim this one also. Okay. Now this design is okay. Then you can see here again the bottom having some design. Again how to design that one. Okay. Now see here. Now what is this one? Again this is one arc. Now see here with respect to base is the how much? With respect to base how much? 22. So from this circle how much? From the center point how much? 70 minus 22. 70 minus 22. How much? 40. 48. Again 48 is nothing but vertical distance. Again horizontal is 0. No horizontal distance between this center point to this center point. Again only y value. Y equal to 48. Okay. Directly I move with line. How much? 48. Now I am going to design one circle. Now directly you can design one circle. How much? Radius value 14 r. Okay. Then again you can design the exactly quadrant points to this one. Okay. Again one more line exactly with respect to quadrant points. Then you can apply the trim operation. Trim this one also. Okay. Again trim this one. Then directly delete this reference line. Okay. Simple. Then next one. What is the balance? Again see here. Again we have tracing method. How to trace the? Again you can directly tracking. Now up to this one is the tracing. Just you can design one lines and there is nothing but tracing. Then next one is the tracking. Now I am going to design one circle in this location. Just I am going to design one circle in this location. Okay. Just I am going to design one circle in this location. Again what is the circle radius? 26. There is a 13 radius. 26 is the diameter. What is the distance between them? Again see here. This circle. Again this circle and this circle having same horizontal, lying on same horizontal line. That means horizontal distance is the, see here, 38. Again vertical is the 0. Why means both present on the horizontal line. Now directly I am going to select the circle. First I am going to specify the reference point. Don't click this area. Just this is the reference. Now this is my reference. Just I am going to specify the direction. Just you can specify the direction. Now that is nothing but tracking. Green color represent tracking. Again what is the distance? 38. Directly we can center point. Directly we can choose the center point. Specify the radius value 30. Okay. Again you can design entire thing directly here also. Again see here. Directly I am going to design this one. Now where is the center point exactly? 38. 38 means, now see here, just I am going to design, starting of the design. This is the, how much diameter? 38 radius. 38 radius is nothing but this center point to this center point is the 38. Center point to quadrant point distance is 38. Directly select the circle. First you can specify the tracking point. First you can specify the tracking. Then you can specify the direction. Directly you can enter the value. How much value? 74. Same thing. Then you can specify the radius value. Then you can specify radius value. Again somewhat it is the, we have more practice. You have more. You can practice up to 20 examples. Then you can design this simple manner. Directly all are the tracking options. Directly go with tracking. Now again see here. Again I am going to design one circle. Now I am going to design one circle with respect to this center point. With respect to this center point. With respect to this center point. Again the distance between the center points is some 80. Some 80. First you can specify the, just identify the reference point. Just identify reference point. Then you can specify the direction. Again which direction? In this direction or in this direction? Again this is the direction, in this direction. Specify the value 80. Again this is the wrong one, wrong direction. Now direction, specify the value directly 80. Okay. Then again my requirement is with respect to this one height. Again 80. Directly select the circle from this location. How much? 80. Okay. Then you can specify the radius value. Radius is some 20. Same. That is nothing but tracking method. Then again next. What is the next? Total design is complete. Again you can apply the hatching. Then you can apply. There is nothing but hatching. H enter. What is the process? pick point.
Circle.
Okay. H అంటే హలో అనిల్ ఆర్ఎస్ గారి దగ్గర ఉన్నావా రైట్ సైడ్ దేవుడు ఇచ్చిండు లోపలికి రైట్ సైడ్ just select the pick point. This is the again you can change the hatch pattern, that is nothing but ANSI 31 simple cross section representation. Just okay, that's it. Okay, again next one, any design, remaining entire thing is the simple. If you can see any design, again you can see this one, this entire book, this is the critical one. You can practice at last. Okay, after completion of minimum 10 designs, then you can start this. Again this is the somewhat critical. Again this entire one is a simple design, but dimension find outing is the dimensions are very linking here. Simple thing, but reference points, everything is find outing of the reference points is the somewhat difficult. That is the only. Then again next one, any design. Now see here, which one? Now you can see this one. Okay, how to design this one? How to design this one? Where is the starting point of the design?
Any point.
Where is the starting point of the design? Where is the starting point of the design? Now you can start from this center or this center, anything. You can choose anything. Okay. Now I am going to start from this center point. Okay.
Time taking దేనికైనా
డిక్రీజ్ అయ్యింది, ప్రాక్టీస్లో డిక్రీజ్ అయ్యింది. మీరు టోటల్ ఎంటైర్ థింగ్ మీరు కన్స్ట్రక్షన్లో చేయాలంటే టైం టైం. సో మీరు 3 క్లబ్ చేసుకుంటే అసలు కన్స్ట్రక్షన్ తీసేయండి, అసలు అవసరం లేదు కన్స్ట్రక్షన్. డైరెక్ట్ ఈ 2 మెథడ్స్లో చేసుకుంటే సింపుల్గా ఉంటుంది. కన్స్ట్రక్షన్లో చేస్తే ఎక్కువ టైం పెట్టేది, ఓన్లీ కన్స్ట్రక్షన్ యూజ్ చేస్తే. ఓకేనా? అదే మీరు పోలార్ ట్రాకింగ్ కానీ ట్రేసింగ్ కానీ ఈ 2 మెథడ్స్ యూజ్ చేస్తే సింపుల్గా. ఓకే. సో సివిల్ ప్లాన్స్ ఏంటంటే అక్కడ యూజ్ అయ్యేది కన్స్ట్రక్షన్స్, అక్కడ డిజైన్ రే 1 కన్స్ట్రక్షన్ అక్కడ యూజ్ అవ్వదు. ఫస్ట్ వన్ సేమ్ థింగ్, సర్కిల్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద వాల్యూ? 24. 24 means 12 radius. Next one. What is the next one? What is the next value?
26.
Now see here. Now this arc is the 26. This arc size is the 26. Okay. Next one is the
76.
again see here. This is the 76. With respect to this center point, this is the 76. Again next one is nothing but this arc, central arc.
36.
Now center is how much?
Center 26 కదా.
No. This one is the 26. Okay. Now this center
36.
36. Wrong. 36 is wrong. How much? What is the center radius? Now see here, mention 40 radius. Center one is the 40. So this one is the how much? This is the 26 or this is the 40. Again this one is the how much?
36.
This one.
76.
నాట్ 76. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద 76.
36.
చూడండి ఒకసారి మొత్తం చూడండి అక్కడ డిజైన్. $26, $40, $53. Okay now. Now see here. Now see. Now this total equal to how much? This one is the how much? This value. 14 radius. This is how much? This one equal to how much? 14 hour. 14 hour and 14 hour. Again the center one is the. This center one is the 40. This center one is the 40. This outer one is how much? What is the difference between this one to this one? This is the 40. This is the 26. What is the difference? What is the difference? 14 value. Now this center point to this center one distance equal to how much? 14. Again same thing. This is central arc means this one to this one is the same value. So outer equal to how much? 50. 54. Okay. Again circle. Say enter. How much value? 26 radius. Okay. Again next one. 40. Next one. 40 plus 14. 54. Okay. All are the radius values. Then again next. Just I am going to design one line. Again you can design one more line with respect to this side. Okay, apply the trim operation. Just remove entire thing. This is our requirement. Okay, then again you can see here. Again you can connect arc connection. Again arc radius.
26.
Arc radius is the
14.
14. Arc radius is the 14. Nothing but this center point to this center point 14. This one to this one is the 14. 40 minus 14. 26. 40 plus 14.
54.
Sorry, 40 plus 14. 15. 4. Okay, directly go with arc, start, center and start point, center point, end point. Okay, again same thing, or otherwise directly go with arc, start, center, end, start, center, end. Okay, just delete this one. This is only for the purpose of reference. Okay, place. Then this one is okay. Next one. So first, now see here. First 24 diameter circle is over. Next 26 is over. 40 over. Next 40 plus 14. Why means again see here. This is the 14. Now this connection is 14 radius. 14 radius means this center point to this end point is the 14. Again this one to this one is the 14. So 40 minus 14. 26. 40 minus this value. Nothing but 26. Again same thing, 40 plus 14. 54. Okay. Then again next. Again you can design 76 radius circle. Now you can design one 76 radius circle. Now see. Select this one. Radius equal to how much? 76. Okay. Then next one. Now see here. One more circle. Again see here. 36R. Now this is the 36R. Again with respect to this center point. With respect to this center point. Again circle with respect to this one. How much? 36. Same thing this side also. 36. Okay. Then again next. What is the next? Now see here. Now this one is okay. Okay. Then again I am going to design top two circles first. First I am going to design top two circles. What is the values? What is the dimensions?
130.
Now distance between the center points is 130. Again one is the 20 radius, another one is the 40 radius. Now we can see the tracking method here. Both present on the. Now see here with respect to this center point. Directly you can select the circle. You can choose, just you can identify the reference point. Just identify reference point. Then you can specify the direction. Specify the value. How much? 130. Directly you can design one circle with respect to this point. Then how much value? 20 radius. Another one same design with respect to this design. How much? 40 radius. Okay. Then again you can apply the Which operation? In this location. Again, this is nothing but fillet. 94 corner preparation. 94 R. Apply the fillet. Specify the radius value 94. Select this one to this one. Same thing. This one to this one. Then you can apply the trim operation. Just trim this one. Again, you can trim this one also. Now this is nothing but 36 radius circle with respect to this center point. Just wait, what is the use of this one I will explain. Okay. Now this design is okay. Then next one.
Bottom circle.
Again you can design this circle first. First you can design this one. What is the circle distance from this center point to this center point? How much? From this center point to this one. How much? Total is the 246. 246 minus
130.
130. How much? 240 minus 130. How much? 116. 116. Again 116 minus 52. How much? 116 minus 52. How much?
54.
116 minus 52. 50? 54. 64. Okay. Then again, see here. Directly go with tracing method. Now direct method means tracing. Tracing means just this point to this point. Just you can design one line. What is the length of the line? 64. Then this end point act as a circle center point. This is the one method. Or otherwise, directly move with tracking. Directly you can select the geometry, identify the center point, just identify the center point, then you can move the in direction, specify the value. How much value? 64. Okay. Then you can specify the radius value. How much radius? Radius equal to 30. Radius is 30. That is nothing but 60 diameter. Okay. Now this one is okay. Okay now? Now see here. Again I am going to design one line from this center point. What is the distance? 50. What is the up to base? How much? 50? 2. Then with respect to center I am going to design in this location. How much? Total is the how much?
168.
168 means with respect to center half of value. 168 by 2 how much?
84.
84. Again in this direction how much?
24.
24. Then again in this direction how much? That is nothing but 84 minus 50. 84 minus 50. Okay. 84 minus 50. See here. Now with respect to central reference, this total is the 168. With respect to this central location, one side is the 84. Again with respect to this one 100. That is nothing but 50. What is the balance here? 84 minus 50. This one. This end point to this end point. How much? 35. 84 minus 50. Okay. Then select this one. Now directly in this direction how much? 34. Now directly connect with 36 radius circle. 36 radius circle. Directly connect with this one. Then you can apply the trim operation. Again you can trim this side also. Same thing. Again you can trim outside also. Okay. Now see here, that is the usage of the shape. Again how to design this shape? By using two circles. One is the 70.
36.
One is the 36 radius. Another one is the 76 radius with different center location. With different center locations. Again see here, with respect to this center point to 36, total is the 76. With respect to this center point. Okay, next one. Again you can apply the fillet here. What is the value? No fillet. Again bottom is the 6er. In this location 6er. Okay. Again apply the fillet. Radius how much? 6. Select this one to this one. Then apply the trim. Okay. Again same thing, mirror to left side. This one and okay. Select the ఓకేనా. then you can apply the trim operation, or otherwise directly you can delete this one. Again apply same thing, again one more fillet, again see here in this location 5, F enter, radius changes to 5, again select, again set it to trim mode is the trim condition, this one to this one, again next this one to this one, again next, again you can apply the hatching, again you can trim this one also. Okay, just trim this one. That is the design. Just TR enter, sorry H enter, hatching, pick point, now this is the pick point region, enter, same ANSA 131, all are the section views, just okay, that's it. Okay na, simple design. Design is very simple, but finding of dimensions is the and the reference points is the important. That's it. Okay, practice చేయండి అన్న డౌట్స్ ఉంటాయి. సో రేపు పారామెట్రిక్ టూల్ బార్ స్టార్ట్ చేస్తాం. ఓకేనా. ఆ 40 డిజైన్ చేస్తే చాలు 2D.